We've got some brand new Cars 3 toys. Look at this. We've got the Cruz Ramirez semi-hauler. Whoa, and it's a play set. And I cannot wait to get this out of the box. And here is the back, and it shows you all the cool things it does. And it's Dynaco Cruz Ramirez. I love the yellow and blue. And we've got the Cars 3 Jackson Storm Transforming Hauler. And here is his huge semi-hauler. Woo! And it opens up and has all sorts of neat things that it does. So we're going to get these both out of the box and check them out. We've got some other cool haulers that we've done a video of before. And this is the Dynaco Cal Weathers. And it opens up like this. And you can open up both sides. And then this comes out. And these are really cool little trailers. And that is Cal Weathers. And it snaps back in here like this. So you have to check out that cool video. And we did Bobby Swift and Cal Weathers. And it was a lot of fun. This is from Cars 2, and it is a Mac hauler. If you turn it around, you can see the picture, but you can actually change it, like that. Now it's Lightning McQueen. Press the button, and it changes back, just like this. That is so cool. I love this little trailer. And you can also open it up back here and put your Lightning McQueen inside. So that's really neat. But let's get over here and open up Jackson Storm and Cruz Ramirez. We've got lots of die-cast Cars 3 toys. And here is our Dynaco Cruz Ramirez. And let's find Jackson Storm. Here he is. This is the plastic one. Here is the die-cast Jackson Storm. So these are really cool, and we'll put them in their new haulers. All right, let's get them out of the boxes. This one is brand new. We found it at Walmart, and I was really excited. Here we go. Got to turn these. And that wasn't too bad. She came out pretty easy. Whoa! Look how cool that trailer is. I love it. And here is Dynaco Cruz Ramirez. Now let's check the rest out. Can we open it up? Oh, it's kind of hard to open. But inside is all sorts of cool things we need to check out. First, we're gonna drive over here and we've got to get some gas. Pull the pump down. She's all full of gas. Now she's gonna drive around this way and we've got a little ramp here and she's gonna come up the ramp like that. And we've got a little trophy case over here. You can see. And then we've got our race simulator. So she's going to get on that and start practicing. And we got to come over here and we've got a simulator screen right here. You can see there. Uh-oh, it's Jackson Storm. Oh no. Pretend like you're racing. Oh, she crashed into the screen. Uh-oh. I wonder where she learned that from. And when she's all done racing on the simulator, she can come over here and relax right next to the fan. There we go. We got a little computer area over here. And then when she's ready for the races, she can come over here. Woohoo! And she's off. And this will connect to the other play sets like that. And we've got the whole set. So it starts over here, then the ramp up here, the simulator, and then a place to rest and relax. Very nice. When we're all done, we fold everything down and put it back together. Ta-da! Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. Whoa. And here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Off to the races. Can she beat Jackson Storm? I think she can. All right, let's get Jackson Storm's hauler out. And will she fit in here? Let's see. Fold this all in. And she fits. Wow. And this comes apart. You can snap it back together. Boom. Now it's time to get Jackson Storm's hauler out. Here we go. 3 of those. And it's loose. Wow, it's really long. Here's Cruz Ramirez, and here is Jackson Storm. And you can see that Jackson Storm's is a little bit longer than Cruz Ramirez. And I'm gonna bring it over here. And this one has a little latch you have to push. And then it opens up like this. And we've got our Jackson Storm die cast. And it has 2 places where it can connect to the different play sets. And he has his own race simulator. Whoa! Let's check this thing out. It looks like we've got some stickers to put on here. So Jackson Storm's trailer comes with some stickers. And we're going to put these on his race simulator. It looks like he's racing against himself. I bet that's because he thinks he's the best. There we go. And number 3 goes over here. And we've got one more for the race simulator. And it goes over on this side. Now you can race. There we go. He's got a simulator all set up. And he drives up here. And whoa, we're going up a hill, down a hill, sideways, going around a curve. Woohoo! This is an awesome race simulator. And there he goes. And we can put it back down. And let's find out where the rest of these stickers go. We've got 3 more stickers. One sticker goes right here on our little gas pump. And then we've got another sticker for over here for the other training session. And the last sticker goes over on this side. And we're going to put it right here. There we go. Jackson Storm comes in and he gets all tuned up. He comes over here and they check out his car, and then they come over here and they can fill him with gas and fill up his tires full of air. Ooh, we're checking him out. Looks like he's all tuned up. Then he comes up here and he races on the simulator. And when he's all done, Jackson Storm 2.0, it's time to launch off into your next race. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Here we go. That is awesome. All right, someone else wants to try. Here we go. We've got one of the other racers. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Who else? It's Cal Weathers. Here we go. Boom! We've got a car wreck. Reb Meeker. Woohoo! Cruz Ramirez. Lightning McQueen. Danny Swervez. Hey, my name's Danny, bro. Boom! Sheriff, we've got a car wreck. Smokey. So many fun cars. All right, who's going to be the last one? Here's Mr. Sterling. Woo! This is so much fun, you guys. All right, when we're all done, we can take our Jackson Storm. There we go. Fold everything up. And, oh, we got to fold up our simulator. And then it closes just like this. And you snap that in. And we've got Jackson Storm and Cruz Ramirez. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fun video. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.